So here is what I have found as a workaround. We will open up a window, and I've been using Route, I think it's called Route XL. Yes, it's Route XL. So we'll start with 806 East Lauren, Springfield. And then you hit search. And then you'll start here where you see this. And then we're going to go to the first yard. You can still copy and paste it. And then you're just going to go up here. You can clear everything. Paste that there. Search. And don't worry about anything in this area. And then before you go to the other screen, I would just hit backspace since this is all highlighted because it's added that second stop in there. Go to your second one. Copy that. Search. Backspace. Go to your third one. Copy. Paste. Search. Backspace. I am using Control-C right now to copy that, and then I'm clicking in this little window here, hitting Control-V, and then clicking Search, and now I'm hitting Backspace on the keyboard. Going to my screen, Control-C to copy, Control-V to paste, Search, and then Backspace. Control-C, Control-V, search, backspace. Just stay with me here. Unfortunately, this only allows you to do 20 without us paying for it. I'm hoping that MapQuest Route Planner will start working for us. That's my hope. I don't like how this has been going. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Let's see what we had last week. Wednesday, Tuesday, Neth, Amy, Jason, Ellen, Kristen. So where's Gio? He wants to be on Thursday. Carrie Ross. Thursday. Right now I'm just looking to see if I can move anything over. Yeah, I would just move the green ones. So that's what we're going to do real quick. Because that's been 2 weeks. So we're going to go ahead and add those in there as well. Okay. And then we're going to enter Republic, Missouri, and we will, since this will be the last one, okay, that's fine. And we're going to say finish here in Republic. You see where it says finish here. So we're going to click that. And then now we're going to go down here to the bottom left. If you see my mouse here, bottom left, and we're going to click Find Route. And now it's going to do this and find the route. So now how you see it, it's going to start at 806 Lauren, and you just hover over these and you can see what they are. You don't have to click on them, just hover over them. And then this is how you're going to put them in order. So we're going to go back to our one here. So we have 1313 South Glenstone, and then Prospect, and then Weller. And then I normally go to Day View, so I can see all of these. And actually, I'm going to start at the end of it. So I'm going to start at Cheyenne, Maple Crest, Eastridge. So I want to find Cheyenne on here. It's just easier to move them down. Cheyenne, and then Maple Crest, Eastridge. Maple Crest, Eastridge. North, and Franklin. Aaron and Darby. Hazelnut, Livingston. Stanhope and Kingsbury. Hillsborough and Reagan. Okay, Hillsborough and Reagan. Cragmont, Weller, Prospect. Cragmont. Weller. Prospect. Unstone. Uh-oh, I missed Reagan. Where was Reagan? Reagan was after Hillsborough. So now it should go Hillsboro, Reagan, Cragmont. Hillsboro, Reagan, Cragmont. Okay, so now it's all in order. It's all in order now. And we got all those in there. I think that's about it. So that's what you're going to use. The website is routexl.com. routexl.com. And just watch this video as many times as you need. It will allow you to do up to 20 addresses. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you. And I love you, and I appreciate all that you do. I know this is frustrating at times.